and welcome back to my channel. It is Ashley here again. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I am doing great today. I am on a unboxing spree today, so I am still in my comfy sweatshirt and just lounging around the house today because it's dreary, gloomy outside. But with that being said, if you guys are new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below. It would mean the absolute world to me. So with all that being said, let's get into this unboxing. Today we have my Fab Fit Fun box. I can't remember how much this is, but it does come 4 times a year. You pay for it 4 times a year. I do believe it is either $49.99 every, 4 times a year, or $49.95 4 times a year. But I will leave all of the correct information down below in the description box. So let's get into this unboxing. This is Fab Fit Fun. I love the box this month. It is very fall. It's got some leaves, some pumpkins, some little coffees, which I love coffee. So I really love this box. It is ginormous and it is really heavy. So let's just get in here and see what is in here. I have not looked in it. It is still taped. I have to find my little scissors. Okay. So I will cut into this little guy and see what we got. All right. It is so awkward. It's so big, so I never know how to hold it. All right. So we open up the box. I love the inside of this box. It is so fall. This is their fall box, of course. And it says Fab Fit Fun in it, and it's got a magazine on top. And it just says Grateful for every little thing, fall 2018. I love this box. I'm going to keep it and use it for something. Okay, so let's get in here. We have our little magazine in here that tells us everything that is in the box, so I will not look at that now. We've got a $50 gift card to HelloFresh. We have a little thing on Luna Rica, little bar things, and we've got share the love of Fab Fit Fun. Pass this card on to your friend. They will get $10 off their first box. So there's that, and then we actually get into the products. So I will get in here and see what we've got. Okay, whew, I'm so excited for this box. So the first thing I see is by Glam Glow Bubble Sheets, oxygenating deep cleanse mask. And like I said, this is by Glam Glow, and we got 2 masks by them. They're bubble masks, so you put them on and they bubble all up and make you look like a scary monster. But there are 2 of those, and I think it tells us the prices. Yes, these bubble masks are $18. And it says, watch it activate into tingling 3D bubble experience. It says, place the mask on a damp skin and leave on for approximately 3 minutes. Once removed, massage the remaining bubbles and rinse. So I will definitely be using these bubble masks. I've seen them all over Instagram, so I'm definitely going to try these guys out. The next thing I'm seeing is Skin & Co. Roma Blue and Capri, I think, shower gel. And this says, where's the shower gel? I gotta find my little magazine here. Here it is. It says, this multi-purpose shower gel is inspired by the lemon farmers in Capri, Italy, and is deliciously scented with wild sage, lemon, and alpine rose. It says you can use this as a shower gel or to create a bubble bath. And this retails for $22. So I'm going to open this up and give it a smell. It does have a safety seal on it. And I do still have swatches on my hands from previous videos, so I'm really sorry about that. Alright, I got that little guy off of there. Oh, it smells really good. It's a mixture of the lemon and the rose, but it's not overpowering at all. That'd be really relaxing, especially for a bubble bath. So I will definitely be using this guy. And then that is a full-size bottle. And it's like a greenish color. So there's that soap. The next thing I'm pulling out is, I don't know what to grab for first. Let's go with this guy. This is Metalist Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo. Alrighty. And this says, if I can find it on my little sheet here. Oh, here it is. The duo includes a glittery gloss on one end and a metallic liquid on the other to give you a mesmerizing demi-matte finish. This is $24.99 for this. And I love the little packaging. It is like weirdly shaped, but it has these lips on it and it is very, very shiny. So we'll get into this and see what is in here. Well, I know it's in here, but see what color it is. Ooh, ooh, I love the shimmer side. This is in the shade, just say the shade name. I don't think it says the shade name. Oh, in the shade Penny. So here is the little packaging for it. Here's the glittery side and then like the metallic side. So let's try the metallic side on first. I'm just going to put it on a little bit on my lips to see what it looks like. Okay, here we go. Whew. That is metallic-y. It's very metallic. I don't normally wear metallic lipsticks. I don't have any. But actually, that's really pretty. It's a very pretty fall color again. And then we'll put some glitter on top of that just to see. And the doe foots are like curved. So it's easy to put on your lips. Oh, yeah. Now I'm like super glittery, but I really do like that color. My dogs heard people outside, I'm guessing, so they're going crazy. But anyways, here's that color. I really do like it. It is super pigmented, so I'm definitely going to be using this guy a lot. Okay, moving right along. The next thing I'm pulling out is Grown Alchemist Polishing Facial Exfoliant Pink Grapefruit. And this is gently exfoliate dry skin to reveal a radiant and moisturized complexion. It's formulated with I don't know what that word is. Formulated with something from konjac to absorb oils and pink grapefruit to fight free radicals. This stuff is $67. So we will open this up and see what it is. It is in this really cool, like, it's like a metally, like, squeezy tube, but it feels like metal. Like a soft metal, of course. And this is in the shade Grapefruit. It is just a face exfoliant. And here is the little packaging that I mushed it all up already. We will give it a sniff. It does have a safety seal on it. Oh, wait. Oh, you got to use the little thing to puncture it. Ooh. Okay, that was a little aggressive, but it came out the top here. Smushy back in there. Ooh, that smells really good. I love this. I don't like grapefruits, but I love the smell of grapefruits. But it is just a white exfoliant, and it does have the little beads in it, so it is exfoliating. But that does smell extremely good. So I will probably use that tonight before I crawl into bed. Alrighty, the next thing I'm pulling out is this, and I don't know what this is. Oh, here they are. What is this? This is Simply Whimsical Tea Towels. The set features 2 playful gray patterns that are sure to perk up your mood every time you walk into the kitchen. Hang or lay flat to dry after use. These are $14.99. So we've got some kitchen towels, which I can always use kitchen towels. A little story, my dogs, I usually hang them like on the little handle of my stove, and my dogs come up, grab them, take off with them, and completely destroy them. So these I will definitely be putting up somewhere that they can't reach them. So let's get into these. Ooh, they're really soft. They're so cute. I love the pattern of them. They are a gray and white, like, lines pattern. They are super cute. There's 2 of them there, so I would definitely be hanging these in my kitchen where my dogs can't get them. Alright, moving right along. The next thing I see is a beauty blender, which makes me super excited. I love beauty blenders. This is Beauty Blender Seamlessly Blend Cream Powder and Liquid Formulas. Use the pointed end on the sides of your nose and under your eyes and the rounded end to buff product into the rest of your face. Before using, wet the sponge with water and squeeze out excess liquid. And this is $20 for the Beauty Blender. And it is just a little pink beauty blender, which I'm super excited because now I don't have to clean my other one. I'm so lazy. So we got a little beauty blender in there, and that retails for $20. The next thing I'm pulling out is that Luna Rica little bar, and it says take time for yourself and break into a perfectly portioned Luna Rica bar. It's made from recognizable ingredients like dates, nuts, making it a nutritious snack. Keep the bar in your purse wherever you go. And this is a sponsored item. So we don't know how much it was because it was sponsored, but I am going to taste it because I like tasting things. So I'm just going to take a little, this is what the little bar looks like here. And this is salted caramel nut. So, oh, I thought it was going to be like a hard bar, but it's really soft and chewy, and it's really good. So here's that bar. You can really taste the caramel and the nuts in it, and I really like that. I will be finishing this guy later. That's a good bar. Okay, moving right along, the next thing I'm pulling out is in this little bag. This is Cobra wireless earbuds, which actually I needed some of these. And let's see. Silo Cobra Bluetooth wireless earbuds in black or white, which mine appear to be in white. Here they are. It says jam out in style with these chic and comfy Bluetooth earbuds. The onboard controls and neck strap help you enjoy your music tingle free. And these retail for $40. And it says clean your earbuds regularly with a slightly damp cotton ball. So we do have some earbuds here. I'm not going to take them out of the package yet, but they are white and they have like a pink insert, or the outside circle is pink. So I'm definitely excited about those. I love music. I listen to music constantly. So these will come in handy definitely. The next thing we have is in this box. Ceramic and stainless steel teapot. Okay. Alfred Teapot. Sip in style with a ceramic teapot designed by LA-based tea spot Alfred Tea Room. It has a stainless steel lid, a wide-lipped infuser, and a dripless spout to make tea time enjoyable. This is $26. So I am going to open this just to see what this little teapot looks like. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here's my handle, here's my spout. Okay. Alright, so we open up the box here. And we have some bubble wrap. I don't want to break it. Please don't break. Okay. And it comes in some bubble wrap. I love bubble wrap. Oh, that's so cute. This teapot is adorable. And it has like the little infuser inside. I'll leave that in there. But here's the teapot. It has these white and pink flowers on the outside, and then it is blue. And it's just a little teapot. I would definitely be using this. I'm not a big tea drinker, but in the wintertime, I drink a lot of tea, especially if, you know, my throat's a little scratchy. But this is a really cute teapot. So I am really excited about this little guy. Just pour it out. I don't know. I really like it. So there's the little teapot. And I think this is the last thing in here. Oh boy. I have noodles. These little like noodly things everywhere. This is the last thing. And this is Vince Camuto? Vince Camuto. What is this? Oh, here it is. It's either Camuto or I'm not sure how to pronounce the last word of it. It is a luck tote in black or red desert. Comfortable I cannot say that word. Comfortably, whatever. Comfortably carry your everyday essentials in this giant tote. It features a soft interior and a hanging slip pocket to store your keys, lip balm, and more. And this is $128. Wow. This bag is $128, and this box is only $49 something for you to pay for this box. And this tote is $128. That amazes me. So here's this tote. I'm going to open it up and see what this guy looks like. I am in need of a new purse, so maybe it could be a purse. I don't know. Alright, so it comes in this white little bag. Here's the straps. Pull it out. Oh, I got black. I love the color black. So here is the tote. It smells like leather, like a leathery smell. But here's the tote. It is black and it has a gray stripe down the middle of it. It is super nice feeling though. Very big on the inside. I could definitely use this as my purse. Because I have enough stuff to put in this thing to fill it up. So I will probably be using this as my purse, or I can put my laptop in it. So here is this bag, this $128 bag, which is crazy. But I love this bag. It is amazing. So I would definitely be getting some use out of this guy. So that is everything that is in our little box. We've got the teapot, we got some earbuds, some snacking food, beauty blender, some lipstick, soap, face exfoliant, the bag, the towels. This box blows it out of the water every time I get this box. I can't even get my words right. I am so excited about this box. And again, this is Fab Fit Fun. If you guys get this box, let me know if you guys got different things in your box or if you got the same things in your box. I am really excited about this box. I can't wait to make some tea now and listen to some music and fill up my giant tote with all of my junk that I have. So with all of that being said, if you guys get this box, let me know if you guys got the same, because I know some of the things you can get different variations of. But that is all that I have for this unboxing. I've been on here for 17 minutes now, rambling away. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!